Year 7, this lesson we're going to have a look at binary addition. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand what is meant by binary addition and be able to complete binary addition calculations. Last week, we had a look at binary and we learnt that binary means two parts. So the two parts are 0 and the 1. And we also converted binary numbers like 0, 1, 0, 0 into decimal and vice versa. This lesson, though, we're going to look at binary again, but this time we're going to add binary numbers together. So think about what happens when you're in a math lesson and you're adding numbers together. So what you do is in math lessons, you do this, don't you? Say I'm adding 21, add 12, for example. Excuse my writing. What you do is you write this equation out or something similar, and you go, right, 2 add 1. 2 add 1 is 3. So you do that. And again, 2 add 1 is 3. So 21 add 12, you know, is 33. Because you add these two numbers first, and you move on to these numbers and carry on wherever you can. So what we're looking at is doing it with normal numbers. We are doing it with binary numbers. So you'll see here you've got 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. What we don't do is we don't go, right, 1 add 0 is 1. We don't 1 add 0, 1, 1 add 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, because it's totally different in binary. So at the bottom here, you'll see a little table here, look like this. And this table, you'll see it has the additions on it and what the result actually is. So you'll see here it's a 0 and 1. So we're adding together 0 and 1. On this table, you just find 0 and 1, which is here. And you'll notice that 0 and 1 equals 1. Like that. Yeah. And again, 1 and 0, exactly the same, just the other way around. So 1. 1 and 0 again, same as those two. So a 1. If it's a 0 and a 0, we put what? A 0. Perfect. Use a 0 like that. So let's do 1 together now. So I've got two numbers here, 1 and a 0. So what do I put in this column here? You can look at this by looking down here again. So looking for 1, add 0. Oh, 1. So I know 1 goes in there. 1 and a 1. Find 1 and a 1. Your result is 0. You put 0 in here, and you'll notice that it says carry here. So we carry the 1 to the next column. So we put the 1 here. So again, 0, add 1, add 1. We ignore that 0, and we just do, because there's already two 1s there, we just do 1, add 1. So again, 0, and the 1 left over, we just chuck it in this column here. So our binary number, 0, 1, 1, add 1, 1, 0, is 1, 0, 0, 1. And you'll see that on the next slide. There we go. Okay, let's do some more examples as a class then. And we will have a little gander. Okay, so I drew this earlier. So let's have a little look. So using this table again, let's add these numbers together. So 1, 1. So 1 add 1 is 0, as you can see here. And then you carry your 1. So draw your 0 out and carry your 1. I'm going to carry it up here for this time. If it works, that'd be good. There we go. I'll carry it up there. So now we've got 1, 1 again. So what's 1, 1? 1 add 1 again is 0 add 1. So 0, and you've got 1 left over. So we add that again to this one. And again, we're left with 1, 0, 1. So 1 add 1 again, basically. So 1 add 1 is 0, and you carry a 1. So you're the same again. So 0, carry a 1. And again, we're left with the exact same thing. 1 add 1, 0, and a 1. So we know 1, 0, 1, 1 add 0, 1, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 in binary. let's do just one more quick example. I'll choose a better one this time. So 0, 1, oh, start again. 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 1. So let's quickly add these together. 1 and 1. So 1 and 1, look at this table again. 1 and 1 equals 0, but we carry a 1. So we do a 0 here, carry a 1, 1 and 1. So 0, carry 1, 1 and 1, 0, carry 1, 0, carry a 1. I've pretty much done the exact same equation there, so I've got to mix it up this time. Let's do it one more time. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right, a bit different this time. So 1 and 0. We look at this again, move this out of the way. 1 and 0 is a 1. So we put a 1 here, we don't carry anything. 1 and 0 again is 1, we don't carry anything. 0 and 0 is here, equals nothing, and we carry nothing, like that. And 1 and 1, what we're doing? 1 and 1, you can see here is 0, carry a 1. So 0 and carry a 1.